for partial test. For partial test example 2 part B. Definite integral for 0 to 3 pi over 4 for 1 minus cosine x, absolute value of cosine x. طبعا 3 over 4 3 pi over 4 يعني 3 times 180 over 4 is equal to 135. So if first step for solving definite integral for absolute value must be inside of absolute value is equal to 0. يعني cosine is equal to 0. So x equal to pi over 2 plus n pi. Pi over 2 plus n pi. If n is equal to 0, then x is equal to pi over 2 plus 0 pi. Pi over 2 plus 0 pi يعني pi over 2. If n is equal to 1, then x equal to pi over 2 plus 1 pi يعني 3 pi over 2. 2 times pi 2 pi plus pi 3 pi over 2. Pi over 2 يعني 90. 90 is belong to the given region between 0 to 35. So I'm true. 3 pi over 2 is equal to 270. 270 is not belong to 0 to 35. So أما ورنا جيري. So integral كم على بتشي. Integral كم على 0 to pi over 2. Pi over 2 to 3 pi over 4. 0 to 90. 90 to 135. أما Q1. 0 to 90 Q1. 90 to 180 is Q2. يعني 90 to 135 is also Q2. By all sugar to coffee, all يعني cosine for quadrant 1 is positive. And Q2 cosine is negative. So أمرجنا بتشي أورجنا is equal to 0 to pi over 2 for 1 minus plus cosine dx plus pi over 2 to 3 pi over 4 for 1 minus in this quadrant cosine is negative, so 1 minus cosine x dx. So negative times positive is negative, negative times negative is positive. So equal to what? Equal to integral of 1 is equal to x minus cosine is equal to sine from 0 to pi over 2 plus also integral of 1 is equal to x plus cosine is equal to sine from pi over 2 to 3 pi over 4. So take 2 bracket between is minus for first and plus for second. By the same way take 2 bracket between is minus. Pi over 2 input again minus sine pi over 2 0 minus sine 0 3 pi over 4 input again plus sine 3 pi over 4 pi over 2 input again with a pi over 2 plus sine pi over 2. So sine pi over 2 is 1 by calculator يعني pi over 2 minus 1 أو 0 plus 3 pi over 4 sine 3 pi over 2 is equal to by calculator or by is equal to sine 3 of equal to 1 over square root 2, but by calculator sine 135 is equal to 0.7 minus pi over 2 sine pi over 2 is 1 يعني minus 1. So pi over 2 positive like with pi over 2 negative cancel is equal to 3 pi over 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 0.7 minus 2 0.7. أوش sorry this is positive not negative, so minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 plus 0.7 minus 2 plus 0.7 is equal to minus 1.3 يعني minus 1.3. For number 3, integral negative 1 to 2 is given negative 1 to 2 is given is equal to 3, and negative 1 to 4 negative 1 to 4 is given is equal to negative 1 to 4 is given is equal to 2. Part A, find negative 1 to 2 for x minus 2 f of x. Part B, find part B solve again first. 2 to 4 for f of x dx. 2 to 4 يعني 2 to 4 يعني أما is equal to big minus small. Big is equal to 2, small is equal to 3, so it's equal to negative 1. أما part B. For part A, negative 1 to 2 for x minus 2 f of x dx. Integral like partitioning for first and for second, so it's equal to integral negative 1 to 2 for x minus 2 is not related by integral, so integral negative 1 to 2 for f of x dx. Integral for x is equal to x squared over 2 from negative 1 to 2 minus 2. Integral of negative 1 to 2 for f of x is given. Negative 1 to 2 is 3, so it's equal to 3. Take two brackets for first between is minus, and 2 times 3 is 6. Put 2 is equal to 4 over 2. Put negative 1 is equal to 1 over 2. 4 minus 1 is 3 over 2 minus 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 minus 12 is equal to minus 9 over 2. Minus 9 over 2. Number 4, find the area of the shaded region. Region كمان from negative 3 to 0, yeah? F of x is given, so area is equal to what? Roll area. Roll area if f of x is given is equal to integral a to b for f of x dx. يعني minus 3 to 0 for f of x, يعني for x power 3 plus 3x power 2. Integral of 3x power 2 is equal to x power 4 over 4. Integral of 3x power 2 is equal to 3x power 3 over 3. 3 3 cancelled. Take two brackets between is minus 0 for first is equal to 0. Negative 3 for second. Negative 3 power 4 over 4. Negative 3 power 3. Negative 3 power over negative 3 power 4 is equal to 81 over 4. Negative 3 power 3 is equal to negative 27 minus for first and for second. Minus times before minus aka common factor we're common factor is equal to 4. 1 times 81 81. 4 times 27 is equal to 108. 81 minus 108 is equal to negative 27. Minus multiply minus equal to positive. About part B, find the area of this region. Find the area of this region. Now you have two area, A1 and A2. A1 is a rectangle. A1 is triangle. Area triangle is equal to 1 over 2 base h. Base take from negative 1 to 0 is 1. Height take from 0 to 0.5 is 1 over 2 يعني. So align area is A1 is equal to 1 over 2 base 1 and height تكشي 1 over 2 so is equal to 1 times 1 is 1 2 times 2 is 4 so A1 done A1 كوتاي هاد is equal to A2 رياي رجني دوهم between two functions square root x and g of x so رجنا كمان حتى area and pointers يعني 1 so line area do from 0 to 1 g of x لأبا and f of x down so line g minus f يعني 0 to 1 for 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2 minus square root x dx so line 1 over 2 is not related by integral x power 1 is equal to x power 2 over 2 1 over 2 يعني 1 over 2x x power square root x يعني x power 1 over 2 plus 1 إنك أبت x power 3 over 2 2 over 3 from 0 to 1 take two bracket between is minus second bracket is equal to 0 so 2 times 2 is 1 over 4 1 power 2 is 1 يعني 1 over 4 1 divided 2 times 1 is 1 over 2 2 times 2 divided 2 over 3 times 1 2 over 3 so common for this is equal to 12 divided 4 is 3 divided 2 is 6 divided 3 is 4 3 times 1 is 3 6 times 1 is 6 4 times 2 is 8 so it's equal to 3 plus 9 3 plus 6 is 9 minus 8 is 1 over 12 مع A2 so area total is equal to A1 plus A2 يعني 1 over 4 plus 1 over 12 is equal to 12 divided 4 3 divided 12 1 3 times 1 is 3 1 times 1 is 1 يعني 4 over 12 يعني 1 over 3 1 over 3 now the last question a car was moving with a velocity يعني velocity of car is given equal to 30 velocity of 30 the drive brake it so أو كاتيك بريك يعني تايمك زيرو so V is equal to 30 when the drive brake it and the car stop it يعني V is equal to 0 after 2 seconds if T is equal to 2 assuming that the acceleration of the car was constant acceleration is constant sentence acceleration is constant يعني chapter 5 يكسل let A of t is equal to A يكسل بي O نسيت let A of t is equal to A during the pressure period find the acceleration يعني find A at and the distance traveled by the car between time the driver pressed the brake and the time stopping باش distance it means S of t position between two times يعني between time break and time stop يعني time break 0 بو time stop أكش 2 بو 0 and 2 now solve solution because acceleration is constant so let A of t is equal to A now V of t is equal to integral A dt يعني is equal to AT plus C so V is equal to AT plus C now V is equal to 30 if time is 0 plus C so C is equal to 30 input يكون now v so v is equal to 80 plus 30. 80 plus 30. Now for finding the acceleration, use this given. V is given is equal to 0 and t is given is equal to 2. So أوكاتيك stop v is equal to 0. 8 times 2 plus 30, because v is equal to 0 and t is equal to 2. So 2a is equal to negative 30. So a is equal to negative 50. Negative 50. Also input يكين now velocity so v is equal to 80 يعني minus 15t plus 30. Now for finding distance between two times يعني is definite integral from 0 to 2 for v dt يعني 0 to 2 for negative 15t plus 30 dt is equal to negative 15t square over 2 plus 30t from 0 to 2. Take 2 bracket between is minus 2 power 2 is 4, 4 divided 2 is 2, 2 times 30 is negative 30, and 30 times 2 is 60, and second bracket is equal to 0. Negative 30 plus 60 is equal to 30. Or for finding s, you can use the this fast way. S is equal to always v squared over 2a. V is given equal to 30 divided to a is equal to negative 15, so it's equal to 900, because distance always be positive, so better positive 15, 2 times positive 15 is equal to 30, 0 0 cancel is equal to 30. ما fast way تركبتوا بون دستان خوش